Hello and welcome. Today I want to reflect on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G before its successor is soon officially announced here shortly. Starting with the packaging, the second generation Fold only included a fast charging brick and USB Type-C cable, but no headphones or any other accessories for that matter like the first gen Fold. As far as having that USB Type-C port at the bottom, it's rather convenient considering you have a phone and tablet combination. Charging is fast, and my battery consumption overall hasn't been too bad. I'm at 89% just after 10 a.m., which I should note I'm a power user in the morning. The internal display is incredibly immersive, which is where I blame most of the battery drain, if any, but it's totally worth it when utilizing this internal display. You do see the crease in the middle of the display, potentially something improved upon on the third. The internal screen protector has held up nicely. The fingerprint scanner is efficient and accurate with little to no issues in everyday usage. Pretty impressed with its accuracy overall. The front screen protector has not held up nicely. I'd recommend just removing that. The Fold itself has sustained some scratching along the top and sides of the device. This is expected considering no case was used in the handling of this Galaxy Z Fold 2. The bottom and remaining sides of the Fold 2 are still in pretty excellent condition, all things considered. The spine of the phone is pretty clean and free of any major damage over the year. I'm impressed overall with the Fold 2's durability. For anyone concerned about the build quality of Samsung's foldables, I don't think you need to worry. Again, just minimal scratching there on the side. The hinge especially is an engineering feat that still impresses me daily. No concerns for me at all on this design, except maybe the warnings you get from multiple common apps that don't yet support transitions between the front display and larger display on foldables. Cameras aren't S21 ultra good, but they're pretty solid. That goes for both the front-facing camera as well as that hole punch camera on the inside display that I believe is going to be disappearing on that Fold 3. I do find with the larger improved front display coming from the first Fold, I tend to utilize the front display a lot more. Of course, having the larger internal display is nice for, I'd say, maybe 30 to 40% of daily tasks or activities. It's mostly ideal for content consumption, gaming, reading, etc. Whereas the front display, especially out in public or wrangling kids, it's simply just easier to navigate one-handed to get things done versus constantly opening the phone to just use the larger internal display. Now, when it comes to reading, I found the Kindle apps and other reading apps aren't as integrated as they are on like the Surface Duo. Watching content, of course, say YouTube, shameless plug, please subscribe. Content looks great and various orientations to which you consume content and multitask are awesome. Gaming is also a lot of fun on the Z Fold 2. While I don't get to do a lot of it, it feels more natural with this tablet form factor than gaming on common slabs. That's been my thoughts though on the Z Fold 2 5G here in 2021. Looking forward to Samsung's Unpacked event here shortly. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.